Look at you looking so cute. Did you know that in your hard drives they have magnets? So I have a couple old drives, so instead of throwing them out, I'm gonna be disassembling these drives to get out these magnets. Now is super strong. Now, I don't know about you, but I have a lot of uses for magnets, and you really can't have too much, and it is for free because these hard drives would be trashed anyways, so there's really nothing much to lose. So if you want to see me disassemble these drives, then just keep watching. I'll be using the iFixit kit to disassemble these drives. Different hard drives uses different bits. So for example, the Dell uses the T5 torque bit, and the Seagate and Western Digital uses the T8 torque bit. Okay. I'll start off with the Dell first. Okay. All right. Start off with the Dell. There are 6 visible screws, and there are sometimes screws under the sticker, so we'll remove everything just to be certain. So wherever there is any stickers or labels, I'll remove it just to see if there's any hidden screws there. So right here, there is a hidden screw, and we'll just remove that to release it. Looks like a hidden screw as well, so let me just rip that open. It was. And another one. Alright, good. All of the screws seem to be out, so now let's just see if this will open or if there is another screw somewhere else. I'm gonna get a flathead instead of using this. Okay. Okay, good. That popped open pretty easily. And this is what it looks like on the inside of the Dell hard drive. I do have one of these already. I'm using it as a coaster. So there you go. So looking at the Dell, I can tell there are 2 magnets, one at the top here and one deeper inside. Usually there are 2 magnets, but sometimes it is too difficult to get to the second one, so I just take whichever one I can get easily. Switching back to the T5 bit. All right, you just need some force, prise that magnet out. Good, and there we go. First magnet out. The second one doesn't look too difficult to get to, so let's just see how far we can go. Yeah, so anyways, that doesn't seem to be working out, so I'm not gonna waste too much time on it. It is just a magnet, so let's just remove some more screws and see if I can get out one of these discs. I'm removing the screws from here. Okay, and there we go. So there we go. All of the dry platters came out very easily. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 These are the actual platters where all of the data would be stored on in your hard drive. So yeah. Right, so from this old Dell drive, I have this one magnet that will be useful, as well as these 5 drive platters. So let me dismantle the Seagate and Western Digital as well and see what it looks like on the inside. So we have one magnet at the top, one at the bottom, and I'm only seeing one drive platter here. This is a very old Western Digital drive. Let me see what size it was. Wow, this was an 80 gigabyte Western Digital drive. So very, very old. Oh my gosh, why is this moving so slow? I think I need to charge my screwdriver. Ooh. Oh, whoa. I haven't seen any magnets this big in comparison to the others. You have this size, this size. Look at that. Cool. Huge. Whoa. Yeah, this is super strong. Look at that. Nice. Yeah. And once again, there is another magnet underneath there, but I still can't figure out how to get this piece off, so I'm not gonna waste any more time on that. So we have 3 disassembled drives. I got 3 magnets from them, as well as a couple of drive platters. So I think it was a good use of these old drives, and now I can dispose of them as well as the others that I have. Okay, bye.